Hi guys! So today we're going to be hosting a Boodle fight, aka a Kamayan feast. A Boodle fight is a Filipino feast where you lay out banana leaves on a table and everybody eats with their hands. I'm going to show you how to do a quick Boodle fight on a budget. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. You're just going to follow me around the kitchen as I cook. We have only about a couple of hours. We're going to be feeding about 10 people, so let's get started. This is an arm workout. I've been doing this for like 10 minutes now. Okay, so we're done with the garlic fried rice. Next, we're gonna work on the pancit. So I forgot that we actually had to soak the pancit for a little bit first to have it soften up. So while we soak the pancit, I'm gonna move on to making the garlic butter shrimp.
Can they not have chicharron?
No. Normally we make garlic butter shrimp with a whole shrimp because the shrimp head adds a lot of flavor to this dish. Since we don't have that, I'm going to make up for that lack of flavor by using crab paste. So I'm just gonna put like a large dollop. This crab fat is so not good for you, but the flavor is gonna be amazing. Now that the pancit noodles have had time to soak, we can move on to making the pancit now. That's good. Next, we're going to cook our fish. So at Seafood City, I bought tinapa, which is a smoked milkfish. Oh, it smells so good. And I also got a marinated milkfish. Stay away from that. To get things going a little bit quicker, I'm gonna cook the tocino and the longanisa while the tinapa is cooking. I'm gonna use this chicken tocino. I got this from Seafood City. Ugh, cramped. Next, we're gonna cook the pork camonado. This is like a longanisa, basically. It's always a battle trying to flip this fish over. Every time I think I'm not gonna eat this one, and then I smell it after it cooks, I'm like, I'm definitely eating at least 2. I'm going to marinate the mussels for a little bit and then we're gonna grill it outside. Only things left are the things on the grill and then the bibingka, which is gonna be in the oven. Let's do the okra and the eggplant. Interesting. Usually we dip it in after it's cooked, but I want to see what it's like when we grill it this way. I don't know why, but I have a bunch of Filipino songs stuck in my head right now. Probably because I'm surrounded by Filipino food. But I think I'm definitely going to be playing some Filipino tunes tonight. No one else is Filipino. Oh wait, no, Rachel is. I realize it's seafood. It'll cook a lot faster than you think. So let's keep it this way. Wow, this whole spread just smells really good. Mostly because of the bagoong. So at this point, I'm gonna be preparing the uncooked fruits and veggies that we're gonna be putting on the side, as well as some condiments. I'm trying to be really careful and not get any eggshells in here. think a little bit more. A little more time. A couple days ago, I made adobo. It's just sitting in the pot, but I'm gonna fry it up a little bit so it gets a little bit crispy and a little more flavorful when we put it on our boodle fight. Okay, these guys should be ready. These ones are. Doug's back. He got our crispy pata.
Especially while it's
Shh, don't tell anybody. Oh wow. It's deep fried pork. Seems like most of the food is ready. The only thing we have left are the little condiments, but it's time for us to lay out the banana leaf table. Woo! I just want to make sure it's clean, you know, all our food is going on it. It's perfect. These banana leaves will be used as our plates.
What's your favorite thing about boodle fights?
There's something about eating with your hands that is, I don't know, it like tastes better maybe? All our friends are here, we're ready to eat. I'm so excited! You have vinegar?
Oh,
Your plate.
how does this look?
So these are chicharron. It's pork cracklings.
Did you make this too?
No, this is okra. It's got shrimp
Hey,
paste
get out of
and
here.
vinegar on it. These are calamansi. It's really good if you put it on something salty. It's good if you put it on the pancit. This is a longanisa. Sausage, tomatoes, cucumber. These are mussels, just plain, I think oyster sauce and black bean sauce. These are shrimps with crab fat, garlic butter, and then garlic fried rice. Eat salted egg with the tomatoes. Tocino, this is like a sweet chicken adobo. Crispy pata. Tinapa, yeah, that's smoked fish. And then the same thing, but this one's smoked and that one's, yeah, seasoned. Oh no. Not one. Okay. I meant to take videos of us eating, but I got hungry and my hands got all dirty, so basically my plan fell through. But one thing I did want to add is to show you how to eat with your hands. I'm gonna show you by taking some leftovers we had from the spread. Here I have pancit and adobo with quail egg. Using all your fingers, make this motion with your hand when picking up your food. Clump your food together and secure it in your fingers. Make this motion with your thumb to push the food into your mouth. And it's that simple to eat with your hands. That spread that we had could have comfortably fed about 10 to 12 people. It also helps to buy some pre-marinated ingredients, or you can buy some pre-made stuff from another restaurant, kind of like how we bought the crispy pata or how the fishes were already marinated. I would have been super exhausted if I had to prepare every single thing we had in that spread. So guys, I hope you found this video enjoyable and super informative. Go ahead and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!